Hey there! If you've ever taken a great photo only to be disappointed by a dull, lifeless sky, you'll love what we're covering today. Photoshop's sky replacement tool makes it easy to swap out dull skies for something more dramatic, vibrant, or better suited to your shot. And the best part, you don't need any advanced editing skills. Just a few clicks and your image is completely transformed. But before we dive into that, let's make sure you've got Photoshop installed and ready to go. If you don't have it yet, check out the link in the description. It'll take you straight to Adobe's official site where you can download it safely and get the latest version. Once you hit the link, here's what to do next. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't already have one, it only takes a minute. 2. Find Photoshop in the list of apps and select free trial to get started. 3. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud installer. This will handle the entire installation for you. 4. Let it install, then open Photoshop. Once it's ready, launch the app and you're ready. Now that Photoshop is set up, let's talk about using the sky replacement tool to upgrade your photos instantly. Using Photoshop's sky replacement tool, you can instantly upgrade your photos by swapping out dull skies for something more dramatic, vibrant, or better suited to your shot. This feature is a game changer, primarily if you work with landscape, travel, or real estate photography. Go to Edit Greater Than Sky Replacement. This will bring up a panel with several sky presets. Try out different skies. Photoshop comes with blue skies, sunsets, and even stormy clouds. Or you can upload your own. Adjust the sky shift and edge fade sliders to make the transition look more natural. Play around with the lighting adjustments. This is key to blending the new sky perfectly with the rest of the photo. Once everything looks correct, hit OK, and just like that, your image has a whole new atmosphere. It's one of those tools that makes Photoshop feel almost like magic. If you haven't installed Photoshop yet, click the link in the description to get it. That way you'll have the latest version with all the newest features, including sky replacement. And if you want to stay in the loop on exclusive discounts and the latest tech updates, consider subscribing to our newsletter. It's a great way to get insider deals and creative tips straight to your inbox. Also, if you know someone who would love this tool, send this video their way. They'll appreciate the tip and you'll be helping them take their photo editing to the next level. That's it for today. Happy editing, and I encourage you to try out the sky replacement tool on your next photo. I'll catch you in the next one.